Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to clear cache and cookies on your iPhone. So let's start. First open your settings on your iPhone. Now scroll down and search for the Safari app. Tap on that. Now scroll down below and look for clear history and website data. Tap on that. Now tap on clear history and data and it will remove all of your history, cookies and cache. And it will also log you out from the website you are using on the browser. And if you want to clear individual cache or cookies from the apps, you have to clear those from the app storage. Now go back to settings and scroll up. Now tap on General and tap on iPhone storage. Now select an app. I'll just select an app randomly. And here you will see that all of the apps occupy some of the storage. Now to clear all the cache and cookies from this app, tap on Offload app or delete this app. And that's how you can clear cache or cookies from your iPhone. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.